Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This week I will be talking about a project that I did 3 years ago. This is also going to be a slideshow, unfortunately, because it was 3 years ago, and like I said in my previous video, I had no clue that I was going to be trying to promote my business on YouTube. So all you get is a slideshow with music. Anyway, alright, so bring it back in. This client basically hired me to help them figure out the best way to light up their living space. Sometimes I work through spaces and I wonder what on earth people were thinking. As an architect, come on. Seriously, no windows in the living room? That's really bad, right? So anyway, this client hired me to figure out a way to light up their living space. They literally had 2 dinky, like 2-inch spotlights in front of their fireplace that lit up the entire room. There was no form of natural lighting, which meant no windows, and the clients just had to figure out a way to have floor lamps right above their heads while they were reading. Can you imagine just constantly requiring floor lamps, which aren't very bright to begin with, and then if you have them so bright, they're just like it's a light right there, right in the face. Anyway, so your girl had to go in there and create something unique to the client's home and their design style. So I went in there and I designed a ceiling feature that incorporated LED rope lights and spotlights. I designed the ceiling that brought in a classic touch of architecture and made it completely useful. It was really good. Tight. Get yourself a brewski or a glass of wine and enjoy. This is such a beautiful space to begin with. Unfortunately, the room wasn't well utilized. The fireplace, which should have been a focal point, is hidden. There are 2 large different furniture sets in here, and the most important is the lack of natural lighting. I came up with a design that makes the space more functional by utilizing 1 set of furniture instead of 2, and also drawing attention to the fireplace by using wallpaper and dressing up the fireplace with a mantle. By process of elimination, we were able to narrow down certain pieces of furniture that the clients already had and use them in the space to create a better flow. Now to discuss the lack of natural lighting, I created a unique ceiling design that incorporates dimmable LED rope lights and spotlights. We are now prepping the wall for wallpaper installation. We need to make sure the wall is free of hangers, meaning nails, outlet covers, and debris. The ceiling feature was cut and pre-assembled off-site in my garage, which was then labeled, disassembled, transported in puzzle pieces, then reassembled once we got on site. Final adjustments and tweaks were made before actual installation began. We are now using a stud finder to determine the location of each stud in order to attach the very heavy and very large ceiling feature. This install went on without a single problem. It was very well planned and well thought out, and all the pieces fit so nicely until the very last piece. And we just couldn't figure out why it just wouldn't flush with the wall. But it was apparently the wall wasn't leveled or straight, and so we had to modify the ceiling design a little bit. The ceiling design is finally done. The lighting and the paintwork is complete, and you can start to see the final product coming along just nicely. Leave me comments below. I definitely would want to hear what your thoughts are. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Until next week, bye bye. Odabo.